4 most successful crypto mining strategies. That's what we're talking about today. Before we get into disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor, just for education purposes only. So let's rock and roll. So guys, the first way is mining pools. All right, now here's one of the most famous ones in the world, ANTPOOL.com. All right, they have a mining pool going on where technology brings infinite possibilities into the blockchain world. Guys, this is incredible, and mining tools are so important because what they are a group of people that generate blocks together. Okay, that's what mining pools are. Now, there's many articles that talk about this. You can go over here, WorldCoin, where it actually has the definition that they're a group of miners who work together to generate new blocks. The mining pools divide the payouts according to each participant's contribution. Every single pool, whether it's this one or a different one, has a manager, okay, or a pool coordinator. If you want to have a look at different ones, okay, you can actually see some of the best Bitcoin mining pools: Slush Pool, FT Pool, ANTPOOL, via BT, BTC.com, Pool, and Genesis, Bitterfly, Binance Pool, Cannon Pool. All right, and you can start to get a feel for how big this is really becoming. Now, back to that article, mining pool contributions are represented by each member's hash rate, which is the number of attempts a participant needs to find a new block. So that means the metric is measured in hash power and hashes per second. So guys, that's number 1, mining pools, okay? Let's move on to the second way. The second way is hardware. And you can see from websites like this, the big question is how to choose the best hardware. All right, the best mining hardware. Top choices for the best Bitcoin hardware are in this article. They're everywhere, right? You've got to do your own research. Now, guys, talking about the Bitcoin mining hardwares, all right, you can actually try out this and make some serious money. Now, this is for people who are on tight budgets, wanting to mine at home, that have never mined Bitcoin before, who are looking to spend most on the most power Bitcoin mining hardwares around, and a couple of alternative choices for professional miners who locate enough Dragon Mint T1s for their operation. Okay, so the number 1 Bitcoin mining hardware on a budget is the Antminer T9 Plus. All right, now guys, there's so many different choices, but this is a very, very nice one. Okay, and this Bitcoin miner can make you some serious money. It's actually averaged to cost of this is $550 to about $600 per Bitcoin mining rig. All right, now there's another one, the Avalon 6. Okay, and there's a picture down below. So guys, go through this article, links are down below, do your own research on Bitcoin miners. The next way is cloud mining. There is places like CoinApp and things like that, okay, that can actually get you involved. Now, cloud mining is something that allows you to mine from your phone, okay, with complete freeness or with any device for free. What's the difference? So cloud mining is a mechanism to make a cryptocurrency such as Bitcoin using rented cloud computing power and without having to install directly the hardware and related software. So for example, like this one that I've shown you, can download straight on your phone and start cloud mining down here without having to buy a router, without having to buy things like that. Okay, it makes mining accessible to a wider number of people across the world. Since the form of mining is done via a cloud, it reduces issues such as maintenance, equipment, or direct energy costs. That's what makes cloud mining so popular, and that's why everybody right now is talking about getting involved with cloud mining. There's many, many companies out there, guys. This is just the one that I do recommend. I think Aboutcoin is really, really cool. All right, CoinApp is very, very cool. And last but not least is staking. All right, staking within crypto is probably one of the most popular ones. You can go over here on allknows.com and get involved with it. All right, staking is incredible because what it is doing is you're locking in your crypto. So imagine let's have a look at the price of Bitcoin. Bitcoin is at 24,953 right now. If you had 1 Bitcoin, you had that amount, okay, and you wanted to just use it, you're not going to want to get rid of the Bitcoin, are you? So why don't stake it and start making money that you can then use and spend? Okay, what I'm trying to say is, if you know that you're not going to spend 24,000, if you're going to hold it, okay, why not stake it? Because that's what banks are doing to you. They're allowing you to loan money so you can pay back interest. You will get interest on your stakes, all right? You can go over to places like Allknows and things like that, okay, and find out what they're doing, do your own research into them, and you can see how much staking they have on. These are all the staking parts, all right? Very, very cool. And you just choose whatever category you want and start staking them. 15% AR, 5%, 7%, they're all different. Do your own research, guys, but staking is number 4 on that list of the 4 most successful crypto mining tools. There you go, guys. Do me a massive favor, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell if you want to be notified, and I'll see you next time.